I want to assure you kwamba the safety and the security of the people of Kenya cannot be used to do politics. Let me repeat that. I want to warn all politicians, whether you are in opposition or you are in government, the safety and the security of the people of Kenya is not one of the agendas that you are going to use to play politics. Nimesikia kiongozi mwingine juzi anaongea kila mahali. Anasema nimeambiwa sijui na intelligence. Nimeambiwa na DCI. Nimeambiwa na nani, trying to posture as though he is collecting gossips and rumors around the country. Let me say this. This is the first time in the history of Kenya since 1963 that we have had the most irresponsible leader who has occupied the highest office in the land. If you see any leader who has reached the office of a deputy president, even Kalonzo himself, even Matiang'i, who has been Minister of Security, you can see they are conducting themselves in a more organized and honorable manner. Lakini huyu mtu anaitwa Gachagua'S, it's shame on you. Everywhere you speak, nobody believes that you even one day sat in a Security Council of a Republic of Kenya. The way you are disparaging the security sector, doing politics with our security systems, doing politics with our security officers, we want to tell you, shame on you. And we are not going to allow you to continue saying things that are not true. For example, Your Excellency, nilikuwa naona juzi, mtu anasimama tu anaanza kusema, ati rais ataenda kusindua Vision 2060, nimeambiwa na NIS, nimeambiwa na DCI, na ni uongo tupu. Because, Your Excellency, hiyo vision, hiyo report, ulikuwa umetuonyesha kwa State House on 21st of July. Tulikuwa tumeletewa na Anyang' Nyong'o and the team. That morning, on the 27th, before even unveiling this report, Your Excellency, you had already posted on your Facebook very early in the morning that you are going to speak about the future of Kenya. Now someone wants to posture around and lie to the people of Kenya who may not have had a prior information as such to say that he has a very special information just because he wants to appear as if he is running some clandestine security sector. I want to tell the people of Kenya, that man is a conman. Please don't follow the things yenye anasema. Huyo asiwadanganye. Mimi nimekaa na yeye ni conman. Na kwanza akizungusha kichwa hivi anataka kudanganya. So don't waste your time. Sisi wenye tunajua yeye, muulize yeye manifesto yako ni nini. Atasema sijui Kasongo, sijui one term, akimalizia Murkomen. Hakuna kitu kingine anajua. Hajawahi kuongea kuhusu maendeleo, aongee kuhusu nini. Kazi yake tu ni mambo ya kuongelelea watu wengine. Your Excellency, you have our full support. The Kenyan people have your full support, and we know that you are going to transform this nation in a way that has never been witnessed before.